Hi everyone. Well, my paper pumpkin kits have just arrived. This is the September Autumn Abundance kit. And I'm looking forward to this one because I love autumn. And the sneak peeks showed cute little mushrooms and snails, so I'm very excited for this kit. Our spot this time is Cajun Craze. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so here's the stamp set, and inside of this package there's going to be a little insert that shows you these in black and white so you can see them better. But there's a variety, I don't know if this is going to help, there's a variety of leaves and little sprigs, a snail body and a snail shell. I love that. And then these say, with thanks, sending autumn wishes on your way, sending autumn wishes your way and thinking of you. So really nice stamps. I love these envelopes. All right, those scissors are not cutting it. Where are my other scissors? Okay. I'm really liking the look before I even see what they're supposed to look like. I like the colors, I like the style. You know I like watercolor, so that's what that reminds me of. Okay, so we have dimensionals as usual. We have some smaller square cards, that's fun. And look at these adorable envelopes. So cute. Okay, and these are probably layering pieces for the square ones. And then here's the larger, envelope. I love that addition of blue with those fall colors. That's a nice addition. Somewhat unexpected, but beautiful. Oh, there's a third. Okay, so we've got 3 different envelopes. We've got some oak leaves, some variety leaves, and then that, smaller one. Okay, 3 different. And then here, here's our square card. It has a peekaboo, a peek through, which is super fun. Love that. Okay, and here's the base for one. This is a gorgeous card. Look at this background. It has little bits of foiling, copper foil, which is gorgeous. As does, that's what I was looking forward to, that little snail. Oh, look at this card base. That is really fun. I wish there was a whole entire paper like that, don't you? There used to be a couple years ago. All right, so we've got 3 different card bases, all adorable. We've got these cute little snails and some leaves, a mushroom, little wood slice, glue dots, labels. Okay, and then here's some more accent. Ooh, look at this one. Love all those leaves. And then we've got some foil pieces. So there's a little bit, I'm not sure if you can see, stitched foil around the labels, and then these are foil shiny, and then these have little shiny bits as well. Okay, so here is what I was telling you, that little insert. And what you can do with these when you get them is you can take a little bit of adhesive if you want and do a little bead on the top and bottom, and that way it's like a little pocket for your stamps. You can actually use tear and tape too. I think it's big enough. There's enough of an overlap if you do that tear and tape right on the edge. You know how thick it is, and you can make a little pocket that way. I just usually use a bead of glue. So it's got a little pocket, and then you know what's inside, and you can see the images better. So here's that snail shell and the snail body. I really love that snail. He's a cutie. Okay, so here is our kit, and let's see what it's supposed to look like. All right, here's that giant wood slice on the front, and here's that small little wood slice accent, and you've got the mushroom and the snail all together on one card, so that's probably going to be my favorite card. And then you've got those beautiful leaves on this one, and the oak leaves are on that one. So of course you can mix and match and put your oak leaves in various places and your snail in various places and make this completely your own. What a lot of people are doing lately, and I haven't done that just because I always buy multiple kits so I don't run out, but if you so choose, you can take these really fun card bases. See how there's a pattern on the front and the back? Some people cut them down the center and then glue them to another card base, like some kind of basic white, or you can pick a color that matches, and they glue it down onto that card base, and that way they get double the really gorgeous paper. I haven't done that, but I see that a lot with my customers, and especially like this one. You know, it's so pretty that if you cut it right down the middle and then glue it to, say, you know, a card base out of any of these colors, it would look really great on a cherry cobbler or a navy or wild wheat or pumpkin or Cajun craze, like the Stampin' Spot. And you could just put that right on top of a card base in a different color, and then you've got double the card bases. They're so great. And you won't have double the embellishments, but you probably have some more embellishments at home. You've probably got some things you can use, or you can have some of them have, you know, just kind of sparingly use them. Anyway, there's ways to expand what you've got, right? And so they're really fun. I think this is a really nice kit. I really like this one. Okay, autumn is my thing though, but I think it's cute even if autumn wasn't my thing. All right, now if you did not get this kit and you wish that you did, it's past the subscription date, because you have to subscribe by the 10th of every month in order to get that month's kit. So if you didn't get it, just know that I always get extra kits in case there are people who missed out and didn't get them. If you want one, they go fast, so contact me and ask me what kits I still have available. I have some past ones. Recently they sell out faster than ever. There have been some really beautiful ones, and then sometimes I'm able to buy more if they have more left over. So I did just recently get in some of that, what was it called? Time for Cake. It was a real fun birthday one. I was able to get a couple more of those. So anyway, if you wish that you had this kit and you didn't get it, let me know and see if I still have any available. And sometimes if you never want to miss a kit again, you can subscribe. And if you subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, you pay by the month. Every month it comes out of your account and a new kit is sent to your door, so you will never miss a box. There's some holiday ones coming up that are really fun. You can also just do a trial where you buy a 1-month prepaid code, and then you can, when you see the sneak peeks, you can decide which one you want to redeem with that code, or you can buy a 3-month, 6 months. If you subscribe to that month-to-month continuing one, there is a special going on right now. Any new subscriber, so that would be someone who's never used their email address before with Paper Pumpkin. If your email address has never been used before, you can get a new Paper Pumpkin kit at 40% off. That's a really great deal. I think, oh, I don't want to mess up and say what the price is. I feel like they're $24 plus shipping. Anyway, you can find that out on the website. I'll put links in the description of the video so you can go straight there and see it. Now again, this one won't be the one you get. If you subscribe today, the one you will get will be the October kit, which does have a holiday theme, and it matches. It's supposed to kind of go along with that Birds of Winter, or winterly, what is it called? Winterly treetops. It kind of looks like this. This is not the card. This is a card that we made with the same idea, but the next Paper Pumpkin goes along with these wintry birds right here. So that's the next one, and that will be the October one. So if you want to get that one, you better subscribe now. You have until the 10th of October to subscribe and get that one. This one, again, is no longer available for subscription, but sometimes there's refills, and I have a couple, so find out. And then if you never want to miss another one, subscribe and get 40% off if you're a brand new subscriber. I think I've covered it all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.